Welcome to our lesson about using the Thicken tool. We've been building this part you see here for a few lessons, and now we're in the final stages. In this lesson, we're going to convert our surface body into a solid body. Let's select Section View and click OK. You can see right now we've got infinitely thin geometry. Let's go to the Evaluate tab. As you see, the Mass Properties Calculation tool is not even available. So we're going to thicken our part. Let's go to Insert, Boss, and Thicken. First thing to do is select the surface to thicken. Here's my preview. Let's specify the thickness, 1 millimeter, and we can apply the thickness to one side as indicated by the red stripe, both sides, or the other side. If I select both sides, the 1 millimeter thickness will be added inside and outside, resulting in a part that's 2 millimeters thick. If you look carefully at the preview, you can see how the thickness is applied both inside and outside. At this point, I'll click OK to accept my modifications. And let's use the section view again. As you can see, we've got a solid part. When we go to the Evaluate tab, the Mass Properties Calculation tool is available, and the mass and volume are noted below, and about 15,000 cubic millimeters volume. Let's close this window. In the Feature Manager design tree, the Surface Body folder has disappeared. However, we don't see the Solid Body folder. Let's go to Options, System Options tab, and Feature Manager branch. Let's take a look at Hide Show Tree Items. Solid Bodies folder, let's set it to Show and click OK. The Solid Bodies folder is available and shows us one solid body. Here's our Thicken feature. Now let's say we want to apply a varying thickness to this part. Let's Shift Select and suppress all of the features under Surface Trim 3. And as a result, we've now got two surface bodies. Let's activate the Thicken tool again. Insert, Boss, and Thicken. Let's select the first surface to apply thickness to. Outside thickness, 1 millimeter. Click OK. And let's apply the tool a second time. Insert, Boss Base, Thicken. Select the surface to apply thickness to. Specify the direction of the thickness as well as the thickness value in millimeters. We've got the option to merge the result if we want to check this box. Click OK. Let's activate the section view to see how the solid looks inside. All right, let's check a few more options that the Thicken tool provides. We'll do it on a new part. OK. Sketch on the top plane. Circle tool. Drop it about here. Exit the sketch. Isometric view, Surfaces tab, Extruded Surface tool, and let's drag the handle. Click OK. Now let's apply a planar surface. Click OK to accept. Let's knit these surfaces together. OK, and let's activate the Thicken tool. Insert, Boss, Thicken. If we have an enclosed volume here, we should see in the Property Manager some options for creating a solid from the enclosed volume. Now, since we don't see it, I know intuitively that I've got a gap somewhere in my model. So let's find that gap and close it. Planar Surface tool. OK. Now let's knit these surfaces together. OK. Reactivate the Thicken tool. Create solid from enclosed volume. This option is available at the bottom of the Property Manager. That means that my volume is enclosed properly. When this option is checked, the thickness value as well as the side specification options are grayed out. Let's click OK to accept our modifications, take a section view, and we can confirm that we indeed have a solid body. OK, let's edit our new Thicken feature. Right-click, Edit. Now we'll uncheck Create Solid from Enclosed Volume. Let's uncheck Merge Result as well. We'll use a 2 millimeter thickness value and click OK. Let's take a section view, and as you can see, we've got a hollow part, so pretty much the same result as using the Shell tool. OK, let's get out of section view and right-click and suppress Thicken 1. Now let's edit Surface Knit 2. Right-click, Edit. We can check Try to Form Solid. If we've got an enclosed volume, we'll end up with a solid body when I click OK. Let's try it. We can confirm the solid body in the specification tree as well as with a section view. Here's the Solid Bodies folder, and Surface Knit 2 is located inside it. Let's edit Surface Knit 2 again. Right-click, Edit Feature. If we don't have an enclosed volume and we check this option, Solidworks is simply going to ignore it when it processes our request. This concludes our tutorial about using the Thicken tool.